What is up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Unless you've been living under a rock, you must have heard about this year's biggest romance to screen adaptation ऑफ कैंपस। तो मैंने ये सीरीज जस्ट अभी कंप्लीट किया एंड आई डिसाइडेड टू डू अ बुक वर्सेस शो कंपैरिजन। इन ऑल ऑनेस्टी आई वाज लिविंग अंडर अ रॉक बिकॉज मैंने नहीं सुना था ऑफ कैंपस सीरीज के बारे में। ये ब्रायर सीरीज एल कैनेडी के बारे में तो जैसे ही मुझे पता चला दिस शो इज़ कमिंग आउट, I immediately ordered this book, The Deal, which is the first book in the series. And it has four books in this off campus series, and I think there are more series based on this universe. And I have some thoughts because we've all heard books are better than screen adaptations, right? Or wrong, we'll find out. So just be aware that there's going to be spoilers because I want to do an in-depth review. So if you have not watched the show or if you've not read the book, please do so and come back to this video again. So I'll tell you my opinions based on what are the changes that were there in the book and in the show, and that's how we'll do this review. So first we'll start with the main female character, Hannah. Oh my god, वो बुक में the girl is giving so much pick me energy, and I hate when authors write those kind of storyline for the female character. She's always like, not that kind of girl. I am better than her. So in the show, there's no pick me energy coming out of Hannah. Hannah is a thumbs up for me on the show and a thumbs down for me in the book. Next, we move on to the male main character. And do you guys know that I recently found out that in the books, people are now calling the, male main characters as FMC and MMC. So female main character and male main character, and I don't know what to feel about that. But let's move on to the MMC, who's Garrett. And so in the book, he gives more of a jockey vibe. So he's masculine. He has a god complex. He's rough and not in touch with his emotions. But in the show, he is such a perfect guy. He's so caring. He understands female emotions. He respects Hannah. So again, so Garrett is in the show, and a thumbs down for me in the book. Next, we move on to the character Justin, is who Hannah has a crush on. In the book, he is a football player, if I'm not wrong, which is weird. Like Hannah is a nerd, and then she has a crush on a football player, but she looks down upon all the hockey players, on all the jockeys. Uh, which is, I mean, it's still fine, but in the show Justin is actually a singer. So Hannah is also a singer, a musician. So it makes more sense that she has a crush on him. They have mutual interests. She looks up to him. So I think that was a good touch. How Hannah and Garrett meet is also different. In the book, Garrett finds out that Hannah got A grade, or Hannah gets good grade in one of the psychology classes that they both are enrolled in, and Garrett gets a bad grade, but he needs to improve his grades so that he can continue playing hockey. And then he starts harassing Hannah, stalking Hannah, I would say, to tutor her, and uh, and I think that was creepy. But in the book, it's more natural. They keep meeting each other, and then eventually they decide to fake date, and Hannah will tutor him. So it was a mutual, beneficial relationship in the beginning, and was more natural, in my opinion. So there are two more characters in the book, and which will have a separate book based on them, Dean and Ali, and they are not much talked about in the book, um at least like together. But in the show, oh my god, they have such good chemistry, and I loved all their scenes, and I am so excited for the next part. So if you don't know, the next part will be based on the characters Dean and Ali, and so I'm really excited for that. Next up, in the book, Hannah and Garrett break up, but it's so weird क्योंकि उनका ब्रेकअप उसके डैड गैरेट के डैड करवाते हैं, and he just like straight up goes and blackmail Hannah that you need to break up with Garrett because he's not able to pay attention to his hockey, his game. And I was so outdated and weird. हमारे पुराने मूवीज़ में नहीं होता था कि अ, लाइक गर्लफ्रेंड के डैड बॉयफ्रेंड को पैसे दे देते थे कि तुम मेरी बेटी को छोड़ दो. It was giving those vibes. So I didn't yeah. Then in the show they naturally decide to break up because Garrett thinks he has anger issues just like his dad, and he doesn't want to hurt Hannah ever in the future. Another character in this show, Logan, he has a different family history in the show than what was written in the book. Also, he's less creepy than in the show than what he was in the book. I don't know why he was giving such creep vibes. Logan's feelings for Hannah makes more sense in the show because उसमें दिखाया है कि दे हैड हिस्ट्री. तो हैना की गाड़ी खराब हो जाती है एंड लोगन इज़ अ मैकेनिक और वो उसकी गाड़ी ठीक करता है. एंड देन इट इज़ सो क्यूट. वो अपनी गाड़ी, उसके पास ब्लू सुबारू होती है तो वो उसको ब्लूबरू बुलाती है. आई थिंक दैट इज़ क्यूट. So yeah, so those feelings make more sense. I don't think it's written in the book कि क्यों लोगन को क्रश है हैना पे. And then there's one more character, Jules, जो कि लोगन की सिस्टर है, and she runs a gossip column called 5 Miles. And yeah, that is also that's a character that is not there in the book. There is one more character introduced, Hunter Davenport, जो कि डीन का नेमेसिस है. I think there's not much that has been told about this character. It puts this thing out that no one can date Hannah, which was very problematic, which is very problematic and psychotic behavior, and that is completely removed in the book. Not completely, उसमें थोड़ा-सा दिखाया है कि people start behaving like this, that they shouldn't like talk to Hannah, and Hannah गुस्सा भी हो जाती है, वो जाके Garrett को confront भी करती है कि ये क्या चल रहा है. But Garrett ने ये रूल नहीं निकाला होता है. There was some confusion among his hockey teammates और उस वजह से ये शुरू हो जाता है, which was cute again. तो ओवरऑल मेरे ओपिनियन में आई लाइक द शो मच 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 बेटर. बुक में सबसे ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम, बाकी चीज़ें तो जो भी हैं, आई थिंक द मोस्ट प्रॉब्लमैटिक थिंग फॉर मी इन द बुक वाज़ हैनाज़ पिक मी एनर्जी. आई hate that, I despise that, I don't like when girls behave like that. So I like the show through and through. I would say कि I would say you skip the book and just watch the show. आगे भी I don't think I'll be reading the books. I'll just watch the show. And that was my review. That was my opinion. What's your opinion? Have you watched the show? Have you read the book? Are you planning to read the book or watch the show? Let me know in the comments. Thank you. Bye.